Hello and welcome to this new section. So in this section we are going to discuss about how to make a delete function. Okay, so here we will define how to define delete function. Deleting element from a particular index. Okay, so it is of integer type. Why? Because we are passing the element of type of an element. We are passing the parameter which is the element which is deleted at a particular index. Okay, so delete, use it capital D because delete is also a keyword. Mark this point very well. Okay, so first is our structure, struct arr, and it is of star pointer because any updation that we want to do, it should be reflected. Okay, so and the index. Okay, and the index. So if we want to delete an element, so what is the element that we want to delete? Let me first store it in this location. So I have defined this, so I just need to do some validation first. So what type of validation I need to do? That the index to be deleted, if the index should be greater than equal to 0 and index should be smaller than arr of length. Okay, so these are the two validations that we need to perform, and so now you can see it better. So this is the validation that we need to perform, and what for loop do we need to make? So if int I is equal to, I just need to define, I just follow the steps of this, that if I want to delete, let us suppose in this section, in this case, if I want to delete an element 1, okay, we have this index. So for int I is equal to that index until the length. So in this section the length is 4 and not this. So delete it. Length is this. Okay, length is 4. I should make another thing. Okay, so the length is 4. So the length is 4. So if I want to run this loop, then till how much? I should run it until length minus 1. Why? Because at this point the element is shifted in this side. So if I'm making this it until the length, so I cannot able to replace that part as well. So I need to replace it until it is length minus 1. Okay, from this length, from the index to length minus 1 we need to follow. Okay, this is how you need to make algorithms. So in index up to your arr of length minus 1. Okay, I plus plus. So what we need to do, we just want to shift arr of capital A of I, we need to put arr previous element which is next element we want to enter. So I plus 1. Okay, we need to do it. And the most important thing, if we delete that element, okay, what is the element? Let me first x is equal to, what is the element at that index? You just first need to know this thing. Capital A, the index. So this is the element that we need to pass. Element, we can say that element to be deleted. Okay, element to be deleted, and this is the way we are deleting it. And now the most important thing, ARR of length should be minus minus, because one element is deleted, so make the length minus minus and return your x. What is x? Your deleted element. If these conditions are not satisfied, return 0. Okay, so in this case we need to just print the result of display delete. Okay, so ampersand of ARR we need to pass. Let us suppose we delete the element at index 2. Okay, so now let's run. So this is let me first enter the size 5 and the number of elements that we want to enter 5. So 7, 4, 6 and 3. Okay, now I am deleting the element 4. So let's see, is it deleted? So yes, it is deleted. Let me first make this thing a bit. Let me first display it in this way. /n, I should put /n. Okay, and I should type one more statement here to make it understand better. Element deleted. Okay, now you can see this, how it looks like. Okay, now let's see. So the size is 10, element is 5. So what type of, so these are the 5 elements. So at the index 2, okay, the elements are deleted. At the index 2, what is the element? 8. So it is deleted and the rest elements are shifted. Okay, so this is how you can able to make the delete operation. I hope you understand this concept and make these validations utmost, because it is the most important thing while you are endeavoring into your software programming. Okay, these are the validations which examiners are more important, pay more attention to. Does this student pay any attention to the validations? Okay, does you able to understand the consequences of the risks? So these are the certain things which needs to be managed. So you see that how easy it is to code, how easy it is to understand the concept and then accordingly make algorithms. Okay, accordingly make algorithm. It is easy, but what is our aim? To make complex things into simpler ones. Okay, so this is it for this section. We'll see you in the next. Happy data structures.